Thank you, Willis Carrier. Our famous inventor is Willis Carrier. He is one of the famous American inventors. He had made something that we are glad that we have today.
Started out as an engineer working for a heating company, but he ended up making an air conditioner. Isn't that ironic?
He invented this in 1902. A printing company hired him because their ink was sparing. They used human in there. They needed him to figure out how to make it less human. He figured how to make air go over to vertical pipes that cool off the room. And it was the first air conditioner. Lots of businesses wanted air conditioners too.
Theaters, sports, factories, and even building workers got air conditioners too.
After World War II, homes have air conditioners. Many grandparents didn't have air conditioners in their house. I'm glad they have it now.